Okay, there's the overview. We've got her anchored, and now I will give you a preview of what it's going to look like when it gets poly on it. But I also may add a little stain, but we're going to spray a little poly. I will sand this off. This is just to give you a quick view of how much different and how much the poly enhances it. Okay, but I'm going to sand that off, but that gives you an idea. Alright, and same thing up here. Now, see, that's going to give it a really nice look. But I'm going to probably add a little stain to enhance the color. Alright, I have not washed this down yet. Okay, this is the footstool. But you can see it's quite dirty. I'm going to wash this down with the water hose. Then I'm going to sand all the wood, and it's really going to come alive. Alright, I'm going to sand this end right here right now before, okay. Okay, and the after. Alright, you can kind of see where this is going. Alright, I'm going to wash this down and clean it up, and then this in here is going to look really nice. I may just go ahead and pick off the rest of that bark around there, but this is going to come alive when it gets put in the clear coat and the poly gets put on it. Alright, this is part 4 of the custom stump chair, and this is what's coming up next after the stump chair, the footstool, custom footstool. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I look forward to hear from you. God bless and bye for now.